anything more mid than a movie trailer unsure of itself? दिखाता हुआ वही जो 300 बार पहले देख चुके हैं, not a whiff of freshness. Is there anything more satisfying than to watch the actual movie be much, much better than the trailer? Hey all, my name is Sucharita. Welcome back to my channel. यहाँ पर interviews हैं, reviews हैं, Cannes Festival की कुछ coverage भी है. आज बात कर रहे हैं about Ali Abbas Zafar's Hindi adaptation of the French film Nuit Blanche, Bloody Daddy. Now streaming for free on Jio Cinema. In an attempt to hide all plot points from the audience, Bloody Daddy का trailer intentionally misleading होने की जगह काफी basic रह गया.
सिंपल रखते हैं ना यार.
Promising nothing more than stylized action sequences. मेरी कोशिश अभी रहेगी कि ना बताऊं कि ट्रेलर से ज्यादा कुछ और अभी आपको फिल्म में क्या होता है, but potentially mild spoilers ahead, so consider this a heads up, but mild. Second wave के बाद 2021 नवंबर में कहानी सेट है. शाहिद कपूर is a cop in the narcotics department. He has gone dirty and gangsters के साथ ड्रग्स का धंधा भी करता है on the side. One day, one cocaine delivery he's supposed to do goes wrong and everything changes in one night. Similar to Anurag Kashyap की Kennedy, जिसका Cannes का review you can watch right here. Bloody Daddy भी comment कर रही है पुलिस वालों के morals पर in the wake of the pandemic, जब corruption करना ज्यादा आसान हो गया था for anyone with any amount of power. It is such a fun playground to make all kinds of social and political comments while punching up, having fun at the expense of an all-powerful establishment. And fun is being had. Ali Abbas Zafar के साथ writer Aditya Basu and duo Siddharth Garima lean into the one-night cop drama, almost escape room genre of it all. There are many throwaway, actually funny one-liners. My favorite being an exchange between a hotel owner slash drug lord and a teenager about lactose-free milk, and as the child is being taken away, someone says, "Bina doodh ka doodh." Quick, snappy jokes to break the tension, some very cool hand-to-hand action sequences, loud but not overpowering background music by Julius Packiam, Marcin Lescawick's camera, I'm so sorry. Everything works together in pretty good harmony to deliver a tight, neatly packaged, fast, megally enjoyable, even funny crime story.
इसमें तो टेस्ट ही नहीं आ रहा. कोविड तो नहीं हो गया. तू टेस्ट कर. ये तो आता है.
Shahid Kapoor is the titular daddy in various stages of being bloody. I didn't understand the need for him to change from a leather jacket to a tuxedo halfway through the film, but the scene where he carries out the outfit change is so fun. A fine, talented performer, even when he gives in to vanity a little bit, Shahid Kapoor is consistently good in this film. For such a loud character, his realization of the corrupt cop Sumer is restrained, considering the over-the-top palette of the film. Tuxedo पहनने का reason चाहे नहीं समझ में आया, पर tuxedo में action करते हुए the man looks incredible. French नाम है मूवी का स्लीपलेस नाइट, तमिल रीमेक का नाम था स्लीपलेस फॉरेस्ट, हिंदी वाले का नाम है ब्लडी डैडी, क्योंकि ए वी आर एस्टैब्लिशिंग शाहिद कपूर इज डैडी, एंड बी स्टार पार के दम पर प्रोडक्शन में गई होगी फिल्म आई इमेजिन. रोनित रॉय एंड राजीव खंडेलवाल आर एक्चुअली स्टार्स. दे आर जस्ट एज डिलाइटफुल इन दिस फिल्म. सच अ जॉय टू वॉच रोनित रॉय से. सिकंदर की स्पेलिंग सी से शुरू नहीं होती. द कैरेक्टर इज अवेयर हिज होल वाइब इज अ लिटिल टू ड्रामेटिक, एंड येट ही टेक्स अ मोमेंट टू स्टीम आयरन हिज वेलवेट जैकेट बिफोर कॉलिंग हिज हेंचमैन टू चेक कि प्लान में गड़बड़ क्या हुई है. एंड एज आउटलैंडिश एज दिस साउंड्स between Ali Abbas Zafar and Ronit Roy, it just works, playing the absurdity for laughs. When he says to a child, मैं बुरा आदमी नहीं हूँ, business है मेरा कोकेन का, with all sincerity.
किसके लिए काम कर रहा है तू? जितनी कोकेन उस बैग में है ना, उससे पूरा गुरुग्राम डेंजर में साले.
And Rajiv Khandelwal, going toe to toe with Shahid in a pretty awesome music-less combat sequence is the stuff of my dreams. It's like he's inhabiting Bijoy Nambiar's Shaitan universe still in the best, most satisfying way possible. Also, the man has excellent comic timing. Please cast him in more stuff. He's really funny. I also enjoyed picking up on the movie's subtle but strong cultural commentary. Party guests dancing to "Go Corona Go" at a 7-star hotel, क्योंकि for the rich, the misery of the masses is but a mere morbid amusement. Sikandar saying he used to be a butcher before he got into drugs, immediately followed by a sequence where a cop tries to kill another cop with a meat cleaver, asking कि इन दोनों में से असली criminal कौन है. Bloody Daddy works primarily because it's having fun with the screenplay. Complications upon complications keep piling on as about 5 subplots unfold simultaneously, deepening the canon, enriching the universe. Yes, सारा कार्यक्रम unfolds in one night and a lot is going on, and still it doesn't get stuffy. It doesn't fold up over itself until it does.
Find that bastard.
अच्छी खासी देसी जॉन विक जोन में जाती हुई फिल्म में जो क्लीशे हॉस्पिटल के शॉट्स डाले गए हैं आखिर में, they are tonally so jarring it felt like a different movie started playing. The song in the background talks of उड़ते ख्वाबों में क्या-क्या हो जाता है. अच्छी खासी edginess round off होकर becomes Rajshri coded. Second half के writing loopholes भी ignore करने को तैयार थी मैं. डायना पेंडी को एक्शन नहीं करने दिया ठीक से, काफी डम कैरेक्टर दिया प्ले करने को, that also was forgiven. I just really wished I'd exited the film with the same emotional high it had provided just a few sequences prior. Nonetheless, the movie is streaming on Jio Cinema and is a pretty great weekend watch. Definitely go check it out. So on a scale of 1 to 10, Bloody Daddy is 1 Badshah song with a woman gyrating against him slowly in slow motion. जब तक उसको as a joke treat कर रहे थे, it worked. But having the full sequence in there was such a force fit. आप देखो, बताओ comments में नीचे. As always, my name is Sucharita. Thank you for stopping by.